fidget spinners. It is, yeah, I'm gonna go grab them really quick right now. Actually, no, they're in my room. I got 2 new ones, and I guess I'll show you the other ones. Wait, I left one at my grandma's house to play with for when I go there, but then I got the other one here that I showed in my first vlog. So, yeah, so I'm gonna open them, and then we're gonna get started. So, here's one. It's a Star Wars one. It has BB-8 on this side, R2-D2 on this side. And then it has the Rebel signs on this side. Spins fast. And then I got the other one that you saw in my first vlog. Don't have both of them right now though. Here's the other one, the metal one. The golden thumb pad. And then you have the light, like really light pink maybe. Pink or skin color body of it. And then I got a new one 2 days ago. And it's a rainbow one. It's a rainbow fidget spinner, really small. Yeah, rainbow, metal, really small. Spins fast. That's how it spins. The shine can reflect off of like light, and then it'll look like it's lighting up, but it's really not. So this side is rainbow, and then there's one bearing right here that looks gold, which is really cool. And now I'm gonna go get Michael's new fidget spinner. Michael is my brother, in case you didn't know. I'm gonna go show his fidget spinner right now. And here's Michael's fidget spinner. It's a green fidget spinner with bearings, black bearings. It's not really bearings, it's like metal, but it's not really bearings. Spins longer than all of my other fidget spinners, I think. Yeah. So that's it for the fidget spinners. I'm gonna see if I can make a tower, and if I can't, I'm gonna end the vlog and I'll make another one. And yeah. So I'm gonna start to make the pile with Michael's fidget spinner and my 2. Got one of mine, 2. All right, now I got all of them. Here's 1. 2. Whoa. It just fell. Alright. So do this. Tuck that one on there. No! Dropped one. Well, I can't get this one on, but I can do the rest of them. So, I can only get 2. I can't get, oh my god, I can't do this with one hand. Here, I'll put the camera down. Alright, so 1, 2, 3, and then I'll see if I can get this one. I did it! They're all spinning on top of each other. Finally, I did it. Well, that's cool. Yeah, I'm gonna make a vlog on my 2 new Nerf guns. Michael's new Nerf gun and my 2. So yeah. So peace and goodbye.